Now, one thing that we did not do before is we didn't add content cache for user lessons on lessons and users, meaning we don't have a field that counts all the user lessons of users and a field that counts all the user lessons of lessons. So we are going to add these. We're going to switch our server off and run Rails generate migration, add content cache to user lessons. We'll run this migration. Let's wait until it's done. In the meantime, we'll open our last content cache migration, and we're going to copy one of the columns. So we're going to add a column to lessons and add a column to users with user lessons count. Like this, so for lessons and for users. Now we run the migration, rake db migrate. And next we go to the model. So we are going to our models, user lesson.rb, and same way as we were adding content cache for our, for example, courses. Here we have content cache true. We are going to add content cache to that belongs to associations, like this. And let's run our server and see if it works. So the expected logic will look like this. Whenever I open a lesson that I haven't opened before, I get +1 user lesson. So I get one more view. It's like a unique view like this. So I'll create a new lesson. Okay, great. And I will expect that there will be an incremented user lesson count. So let's go to our lessons preview and add such a field. So now we have lesson user lessons count, and now we'll make it lesson user lessons count without the dot count, but we're just going to show the field. Now we'll try showing both. So dot count and count. Okay, so we have two unique views. Now let's see. Unique viewers, 1 and 1. So the fields are identical. It means it works. Now I'm going to commit out this field with user lessons dot count. And you see that each time I refresh, the impressions count increases, but the unique viewers stays the same. Okay. Now let's go to our user profile, and here are all our users. Let's find admin, and we will also add the user lessons count, so all the views of all the lessons that this user has. So we're going to our users index, and we're going to add a counter, user lessons count, and here we're going to add user lessons count. Let's see if it works. So there is one user lesson. Now let's try creating one more lesson or viewing a lesson that we haven't viewed before. So I'll go to learn, purchased courses. Now this course has no lessons. Let's say all courses. Maybe we can purchase a course that has some lessons. Okay, I'm going to buy this course. I'll open a couple of lessons I haven't seen before. And I'm going to my admin view to see the users. I'll find the admin. And we see that the user lessons count has increased. So we'll be able to see how many lessons each user has ever viewed in our application.